When should you do open houses? That's what this version of 2 yeses and 1 no is about. We're going to talk about the effectiveness of open houses, when you should and shouldn't do them. Now, first off, I think all new listings should have open houses. So yes, at least the first 2 weekends that your home is on the market, you should be doing open houses both Saturday and Sundays. I don't always find that doing throughout the week really works, and keeping the hours between 2 and 4 in this area really works, because most people are conditioned to go look at open houses between 2 and 4 o'clock. I've tried to do them between 1 and 4, or I tried between 2 and 5, and most people come between 2 and 4 Saturdays and Sundays anyways. So yeah, so do open houses the first couple of weeks. The second thing is, if your house has been on the market for a little bit and if there's been a price improvement, again, you probably want to do an open house at that point as well, because now you're drawing people back in. So it's a good idea to do an open house if you've had a price adjustment. Hopefully that means a reduction. You bring people back in. And the no, if your house has been on the market for a while, you've done price reductions and there's just not a lot of movement, we're talking about 2-3 months on the market, I find open houses aren't very effective at that point. Pretty much anybody who wanted to see the home has already seen it at that point, and it's kind of loses its kind of, hit the market right away. So I find that the luster is gone from open houses if it's been on the market for 2 or 3 months. You could still do them. I just find that less people show up, and it's not really a valuable use of your time. It's better to have potential buyers book a private appointment and walk through your home at that point.